students. Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, now we are starting the chapter that is Children at Work, chapter number 2. Okay. So what we will discuss or study in this chapter, there are two characters in this chapter. The first one is Velu and the second one is Jaya. Now Velu, first of all we will discuss about Velu. Velu was actually a 11-year-old boy, and this boy ran away from his home. Why he ran away from his home might be possible in the search of some work, or might be possible he got tired with his parents. Because of his mentality he ran away. Okay, so wandering before getting onto a train to Chennai. Okay, he was looking all around the railway station that where to get in the train. Okay, and where he wants to go, he planned to go to Chennai. Okay, he had no tickets and no money to buy the ticket also. Okay, porter. Now, porter means coolie, the person who carries the luggage. Okay, porter shouted at Velu to get aside. So what happened? Velu ran away from his home and he went to Chennai. He just he went to Chennai, and then at Chennai's railway station at platform, the porter shouted at Velu to get aside. Why? Because see, Chennai is it's a big city, and obviously the railway station will also be a big railway station, huge railway station with numerous of platforms. Okay, so in that, and numerous of crowds were also there. So porter shouted at Velu to get aside. Why? Because porters are always in hurry to carry the luggage. Okay, Velu lost in the crowd. Okay, why he lost in the crowd? Because he had never seen such a huge crowd. Okay, he had never seen such a huge crowd. Why? Because he belongs to a small village. He was carrying a bundle with him, and in bundle he was having one towel, one shirt, and a comb. So what he did, he sat on a bench, putting his head on knees, and he was thinking where to go. He had never seen so many people earlier, except once a year in a fair in his village. Hundreds of people can gather in a fair. It's normal in a village. So and that too once a year. So Velu had never seen many people earlier. Okay, he only saw when he was sitting at the Chennai. He was thinking the same. So people kept walking by, bumping onto him. People kept walking by, means people were crossing them. Obviously, everyone is busy. Okay, and bumping means push, bumping onto him. So pushing the boy, and all the people are walking all around, walking by. Lot of noise on the platform. Or obviously a huge crowd is there, so noise will always be there. Okay, loudspeaker sound was also there. Loudspeaker sound means you must have hear the sound like the arrival or departure of the train. That speaker always announces. So that loudspeaker sound. So Velu felt tired. So he hadn't eaten anything for 2 days. When he left from his home to Chennai, in these 2 days he had not eaten anything except peanuts and jaggery. Jaggery means good. Okay, the brown sugars part made, that is called jaggery. Okay, so he all the way from his home, when he ran from his home till Chennai, he had not eaten anything except peanuts and jaggery since, and that too for the 2 days. Okay, so what happened in the next part? The boy met with Jaya. Okay, the next character is Jaya. Jaya is a helping character. Now, what helps does Jaya provides to Velu, seeing his condition, and what solution does Jaya give him? Okay, regarding the future. Why? Because see, why Jaya being so helping in nature towards value, because see in a big cities, when these small children like, and that to 11-year-old boy like Velu, when they run from their home and they go to the huge city, they don't get anything. So in putting themselves, they put themselves into the labor work or something like. Okay, that's why it is the title is Children at Work. Children at work. These kind of children who run away from their home, and what they do, they simply put them in the labor services. So Jaya put value out of this situation, this trouble, and what helps Jaya provides to value, that we will discuss in the next class. But in this class, it was the introduction of value. The first character of the chapter, who was a 11-year-old boy, ran from his home and he went to Chennai. Okay, he had never seen, carrying only one shirt, one towel, and a comb. Okay, and had not eaten anything for last 2 days, and he had never seen a crowd earlier, a huge crowd earlier. Okay, now the next character we'll discuss in the next class. That's all. Thank you.